Hi everybody, it's your old pal Slippery Slope here with Python tutorial number 9. With this one, we're going to build on what we learned last time with if statements, except we're going to make else's and else-if clauses, though in Python, instead of else-if, we type up elif. Let's make an example, because right now that's just a bunch of bunk. Bunk is just like, that means it's wrong, it's bad, it's just BS. Let's type up a bunch of stuff that isn't bunk. Well, we'll have a variable. We're going to name it Johnny, and we're going to set it to magic elf. So Johnny is a magic elf. And on top of that, we are going to get out of this so that we are here where we can type up all our code and not have it go to the next line like that. So Johnny will be our variable, and we'll set it to magic elf. Hooray. And we will come up with an if statement. If Johnny equals a magic elf, boom. Remember, we need our indent here, and Python took care of that automatically, so we don't have to worry about that so much. But let's print, if this happens, if Johnny is indeed a magic elf, hey, it's Johnny the magic elf. Now, we could do things just like we did last time, meaning if Johnny isn't a magic elf, then we just get a bunch of blankness. Blankness? Is that? What is blankness? And a bunch of nothingness. There we go. But instead, we're going to add an else, and this also needs to be followed by a colon. If it's not followed by a colon, then we don't have this, something that actually works in Python, because then it isn't like we're actually doing an else. It doesn't end. Well, it is kind of like we're doing an else. It's just like we're doing a weird else. Well, we couldn't do it that way. We'd have to do it like this. We wouldn't know when it terminates. So, else, print, must be a different Johnny. Well, shucks, if he's not Johnny the Magic Elf, then I don't know what he is. You know what? Let's run this without the second colon, just to see what happens. Source must be saved. We'll call this Johnny's favorite program, because it's about him. So let's call it Johnny's fave program. Save it. And there's an error in our program, invalid syntax. And then we get this giant blob of red. And it should be gone next time. Yeah. Remember to indent. Perfecto. Now let's run it. Hey, it's Johnny the Magic Elf. Hey, we did it right. Hey, let's pat ourselves on the back. Awesome. Well, okay. We have one condition here, one possibility, one test. If Johnny equals Magic Elf, we're going to print all this nonsense. Well, what if we want other options, like, say, elif. Remember, that's short for else if. And you don't want to put it like that. You want to put it on the same line. Johnny equals a magic gnome, because elves and gnomes are not the same thing, okay? You can actually meet a gnome in real life. I met them all the time. They make me Kool-Aid. Yeah. Put in our indent, print, elves and gnomes are different. And let's change this so that it says magic gnome, just so you know that I'm not making things up, that I don't live in La La Land, that this is actually real stuff. Run it. Elves and gnomes are different. Yay! Well, this ran, because Python looked at this and said, yeah, well, Johnny's not equal to magic elf. Well, is Johnny equal to magic gnome? Well, he is, so we're going to go with this elif. What if we set Johnny to Wiener Schnitzel? I'm not really sure how to spell it, but that's probably not too bad. Save it again. Run it again. Must be a different Johnny. That's not the Johnny we know. Then it goes straight to the else. And here you go. Optional? Sure, we could go to nothingness. But do you want to live in nothingness? Isn't that just a sad life? Save. Run. Nothingness. And that's about it. If you want to be someone who's well accomplished and doesn't live in nothingness, remember to include else-ifs and stuff. And call it elif instead of else-if. If you like what you see in this video, feel free to subscribe. Slippery Slope signing out. Peace.